Thinking about buying a 4K or 360-degree dashcam, but not sure which one to choose? With so many options out there, it's confusing. Some focus on ultra-clear video quality, others promise advanced night vision, while many highlight smart features like GPS, Wi-Fi, and parking mode. In today's video, I've researched and analyzed real user reviews, performance, and features to bring you the top 5 best 4K and 360-degree dashcams for 2026. Perfect for daily drivers, rideshare users, and anyone who wants maximum security on the road. Make sure you watch till the end, because the number one pick might surprise you and could be the perfect dashcam for your needs. Item number 5. This powerful 4-channel dashcam delivers full 360-degree coverage, recording in 2.7K plus multiple HD angles to eliminate blind spots. Equipped with STARVIS 2 sensors and HDR technology, it captures clear footage day and night, even in low light. The upgraded 2.5K rear camera ensures sharper detail for rear incidents. With 5 GHz Wi-Fi, GPS tracking, voice control, and 24/7 buffered parking mode, it offers smart, hands-free operation and reliable security, with support for up to 1 TB storage. Item number 4. This advanced 3-channel dashcam records in 2.7K front and 1440p interior and rear, delivering wide-angle coverage with minimal blind spots. Powered by STARVIS 2 sensors and HDR, it ensures clear footage and enhanced license plate visibility, even in low light. The 360 degrees adjustable rear camera adds flexibility for monitoring inside or outside the vehicle. With 24/7 smart parking mode, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, GPS tracking, and support for up to 1 TB storage, it provides reliable, all-around driving security. Item number 3. This flagship 3-channel dashcam records in stunning 4K front, 2.5K rear, and 1080p interior, delivering wide-angle coverage for complete protection. Powered by advanced STARVIS 2 sensors and HDR technology, it captures sharp, detailed footage with improved license plate recognition, even at night. The 360-degree adjustable rear camera adds flexibility, while 5 GHz Wi-Fi, GPS tracking, and voice control enhance usability. With 24/7 buffered parking mode, loop recording, and up to 1 TB storage support, it ensures reliable, all-around vehicle security. Item number 2. This dual-channel dashcam records in stunning 4K front and 1080p rear, capturing clear, detailed footage with wide-angle coverage. Powered by a STARVIS 2 sensor, WDR, and HDR technology, it delivers excellent night vision and balanced lighting in all conditions. Built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi allows fast video downloads and easy app control, while GPS tracks your route and speed. With loop recording, a G sensor, and 24/7 parking mode, it ensures reliable protection and essential evidence for every drive. Item number 1. This advanced 4-channel dashcam delivers full 360 degrees coverage, recording in 2.7K and multiple HD angles to eliminate blind spots inside and outside your vehicle. Equipped with STARVIS 2 sensors, HDR, and infrared support, it captures clear footage with enhanced night vision and accurate license plate details. The upgraded 2.5K rear camera ensures sharper recordings, while 5 GHz Wi-Fi, dual GPS, and voice control add convenience. With 24/7 buffered parking mode, loop recording, and up to 1 TB storage support, it provides complete driving security.